Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I meet you to the Huawei EG8021V5, a compact, high-performance optical network terminal designed to bring fiber optic connectivity right into your home or office. Additionally, it serves multiple purposes, such as acting as a router and a Wi-Fi access point. You can use this as an individual ONU or as a router or as a Wi-Fi access point. Connectivity and ports. The EG8021V5 is powered by GPON technology, providing a single SC/APC optical port that supports Class B+ fiber connections. This enables fast, stable, and scalable internet services directly from your provider. It features 2 Gigabit Ethernet LAN ports, allowing you to connect wired devices like computers, smart TVs, or gaming consoles, all with blazing fast speeds. Wi-Fi capabilities. Built for modern wireless demands, the EG8021V5 supports dual-band Wi-Fi, delivering up to 300 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band and up to 867 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band. With 2x2 MIMO technology and powerful internal 5 dBi antennas, it ensures strong signal coverage, reduced dead zones, and smooth performance for multiple devices, perfect for streaming, online gaming, and smart home applications. Smart features and security. The EG8021V5 comes with built-in support for advanced network features, including NAT, DHCP, port forwarding, and multiple SSIDs. For security, it offers WPA2 encryption, MAC address filtering, and Wi-Fi protected setup, ensuring your network stays safe and accessible only to trusted users. Management and compatibility. Network management is easy. The device can be configured locally through a web interface or remotely using TR069, making it ideal for both end users and service providers. It also supports VLAN tagging, Q&Q, and seamless integration with IPTV and VoIP services, making it a flexible, all-in-one solution. Performance and design. Under the hood, the EG8021V5 is equipped with 128 MB of RAM and 128 MB of flash memory. Its low power consumption, averaging just 4.6 watts, means it's energy efficient, while its compact design allows for easy wall or desktop mounting. Moreover, reliable, powerful, and built for the future, the Huawei EG8021V5 brings high-speed fiber connectivity into your everyday life. Whether you're working from home, streaming in 4K, or managing a smart home, it's the ONT you can count on.